I like about this woodland as well, there's no real definite path. So it's tricky to get through. Can I get through there? This is ivy, isn't it? Put my hood up. Oh dear. Oh. Head down. On we go. Very overgrown. I've come up because, like I say, this is not used at all. There's some fence in there, and I think there is a little reservoir of some sort up here. I think it actually is the water treatment works. This area just here, it's all fenced off. Just here. And the thing with this is as well, this woodland, like I say, there's no well-used footpath through it, it's just dense. So what I was thinking, I was looking for another stop-off point here for me and the dogs, and a bird hide. Somewhere over this way. So what I'm doing, I'm following the natural lay of the land here. Looks like it might have been an old track at one time. And I believe this new-ish water treatment works over here was to take the peat colour out of the water from the Little Don, just to make the water clearer. And I think that's what that is there. So yeah, I think this here could be a really, really good spot. Somewhere like here under this tree. Just clear these branches off. Let's have a look. Good spot for you can see both ways. See anybody come in. And a good hide. So I'm looking to